Okay, so yeah, we back. We about to check out Devin's little skills right here. See that little yellow cup out there? He about to nail that bitch like who the fuck knows what. Kids might watch this, so I ain't gonna say. All right, let's see what you got there, big homie. Oh yeah. All right, now hold this. What I'm about to do here is try my luck with the 4-5. It's kind of a long shot for me right here, so we'll see how I do. Oh yeah, the boy is a motherfucking beast. Don't get in the way of me with one of these motherfuckers. I'm taking off heads. You feel me? All right, back to Devin. Where you at? The gauge or the 4-5?